So our commercial maintenance program comes with a lot of great benefits. One of the big ones is first response when there's emergency needs. We're out on a commercial property today and we're taking a look at a leak that's going on from some wind damage, and we've got this tarped and covered up, but there's a lot of other things going on that we need to take care of here. We're going to get some temporary repairs put on some of the shingles that have broken from this wind damage, get these nails sealed up so water doesn't continue to come in. We've also identified some other things going on, a little bit of hail, some other concerns that need to be sealed up over here. But when you're part of our commercial maintenance program, you really do get the first response. You're first on the list when there's an emergency need. So when large storms come through, leaks or problems are taking place on your commercial roof system, we're here to help. If you're interested in setting up an annual inspection on your commercial roof system, shingle, low slope, metal, membranes, or specialty systems, we'd love to help you out. This is one of the many benefits that comes along with that program is first response when there's a need. To set that up, all you need to do is call, text, or visit our website at equitybuildersroofing.com.